In the shadows of the wood they lie, silent claws beneath the sky. Eyes like embers burning bright, whispered breaths beneath the night. Wolves on the prowl, hunger in their stare. Rabbits scatter, scurry, beware. Each twig snap a tale retold. In the forest, secrets unfold. Darkness creeps, no moon to light. Predators call in the dead of night. Leaves rustle, a silent plea. In the forest, secrets unfold. Darkness creeps, no moon to light. Predators call in the dead of night. Leaves rustle, a silent plea. In this wild, who will it be? Owl's gaze pierces frozen air. Stillness falls, a silent snare. Fate is written in the tracks. Predator and prey, their dance. Listen close, the wild's